Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete documents on Terabox app, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete documents on your Terabox app, first open up your Terabox app on your phone, as I've already opened it over here. And after opening a Terabox app, guys, on this interface you can see some icons available for us over here just below the search bar that says photos, videos and documents over here. Tap on the documents button over here, and all of the documents available on your Terabox app will be over here, or listed, whichever you have backed up on the Terabox app will be over here. Now in order to delete a certain document on your Terabox app, simply tap and hold on the document which you want to delete, and after the blue tick mark appears at the right side of that document which you want to delete, you can see the options will be available for us at the bottom of the screen. Let's do that again. Let's tap and hold on it, and at the bottom of the screen you can see the options available for us, where at the middle section at the bottom there is the delete button available for us. Tap on the delete button, and again tap on the delete button, and it will be delete, and the document which you want to delete from your Terabox account will be deleted on your Terabox app. And with that being said, guys, this is how to delete documents on your Terabox app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.